Hello friends.
Hello from Disney Springs.
Just relaxed back at the hotel for a little bit and we are now at the Springs. We're dressed fancy. Just because we felt like getting fancy-ish.
It's date night at Disney.
Yes. We are going to have a fantastic deluxe burger. So this is our...
Not really fancy date food, but
No, but we're looking forward to it. So
yes.
Yeah, so we thought we'd come down to Disney Springs and then I think we might go to Magic Kingdom later.
Yeah, we made a fast pass. We're on our 4th rolling fast pass, so
yeah.
We booked one and hopefully we'll make it over there for it. There wasn't a whole lot to choose from anyway, so
yeah, whatever we got, we got.
Haunted Mansion, so maybe I'll get to use my Madame Leota.
We might need to go get your Haunted Mansion shoes.
That's true. I need the whole outfit.
The whole shebang, but yeah, so we're going to go enjoy our deluxe burger.
I can see it. No, that's Homecoming. I was like, oh.
Homecoming. I forgot about Homecoming.
Yeah,
too.
I looked to see if they had reservations. So we were at Deluxe. Our food came. We decided to get a large order of fries, which is pretty large, and then the bacon and blue burger, which looks awesome, and our dipping sauces.
One is garlic ranch, probably that one. One of these is chipotle mayo, and the other one is buffalo blue cheese.
Nice. All right, cool. Sounds good.
Seemed like there's...
Oh, this one looks buffalo blue cheesy.
Yeah, I didn't know which was which.
Yeah, no, that was a good guess.
I feel like they're skipping on the sausage.
Yeah, like they aren't very full.
No.
They also tried to not bring them to us, and Tony went and got them.
I demanded justice.
Yeah, but the sauces are like the best part of this meal. Like, they're so good.
They're pretty good too.
Like, I could just eat the french fries and the sauce and be so happy. But it's a good looking burger too, and very large and in charge. How was your deluxe meal?
It was delicious.
Deluxe, delicious.
Yeah,
right
super
on.
Good bacon and blue burger, and the fries were good. I felt like there weren't nearly that many fries for the like $7.50 for the large fry.
Yeah.
Like I felt like for $7.50, I'm gonna get a lot of fries.
Yeah, it looked like a lot of fries in the container, but then like when we dumped them out, like it really wasn't. Like half that container was like the stuffing of the paper that they were in.
That said, I'm content as far as like food goes, so probably won't eat much more tonight.
Yeah, it was the right amount we needed, but it seems
for the
like
price.
For the price.
Yeah, altogether,
not quite right.
Our meal with a soda, a burger, and a large fry was 25 bucks. So
yeah.
A little pricey there, deluxe prices for sure.
All right, so now we're gonna head on over. We're gonna catch a bus and head to the Magic Kingdom.
Let's go. We're racing the monorail. They're gonna win. You can't. Yeah, I looked all the ways. This is not good for you.
No, you zoomed in on him.
There it goes, off into the sunset. We are going to the Grand Flow and or Poly, and then switching from there to get on to Magic Kingdom mode of transportation. We'll see which one we use. That was unexpected.
I think I got a good one.
Yeah. We just got snuck up on by the monorail. They're sneakier than a couple of stormtroopers at the Hollywood Studios.
Sneakier than a couple of stormtroopers.
I don't think we'll make that bus or that monorail.
Oh well, there'll be better ones.
Lyndsay's getting some photos. We never come down on this level because we're usually up above on the monorail loop at this point. But this is awesome. I wish we could stay here. Hurry up, Lyndsay.
That side's pretty too.
So we're gonna stop and look at all the pretty things. Ooh la la. It is pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. We are in the Poly for the first time this trip.
It feels weird that we haven't been here.
Yeah, normally we come here every time. I think we have a dinner here on Monday night, but more on that later. What you waiting for?
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
Nailed it.
Please let me know when you want me to get that backpack.
I'm good.
Now it's on camera. Everybody knows I offered.
She never offered. Future Lindsay, you're gonna forget about that and don't include that. Yeah, we just got into Magic Kingdom. It's kind of overcast, but it feels great. Like for compared to our 98 degrees earlier today, like this feels great.
Yeah.
And it's the Magic Kingdom. Like what's not to love? What's not to love?
Tripping on train tracks because I'm really worried you're about to.
Thanks for that warning.
That's not to love.
I probably wouldn't have tripped if I didn't have this backpack on my shoulders.
Oh my word.
Yeah, what are we gonna do now that we're in the Magic Kingdom?
I don't know, what time is it? Just about 8.
10 to 8. Yes, 10 to 8.
Thanks, City Hall clock. Alright, so fireworks are in 70 minutes.
Yep.
We can see what has a short wait time, or we can just go find a spot and sit and wait.
Let's come up with a plan and then record.
Hi.
Alright, so we have a plan. We're gonna go back through the castle, ride the carousel, and then come grab some ice cream and a spot for the fireworks tonight.
Yes.
Does that sound good? And that's all subject to change.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens.
Maybe TTA in there, we'll see.
There's enough time, we can do it. I believe in us. Hello, lovely lady. How are you?
Good.
Me too. We got our mighty steeds.
My steed is named Steve.
Steed the Steed?
Yeah.
Steve the Steed.
Doesn't he have nice flowers?
Yeah. Ah, where'd she go?
Ready to begin, let the wonder take hold. Feel it draw you in. Watch the
Thank you for letting me stand here.
Absolutely, thank you.
And so our journey comes to an end, but yours continues on. Grab hold of your dreams and make them come true.
just watched Happily Ever After. On second viewing, I liked it more than the first time. We had a lot of people in front of us, so I didn't see as many projections, so I got to kind of focus on the music and the fireworks.
Yeah.
And the second time around, it was better.
Yeah. I could not see the castle at all. But that's okay. There was a cute kid in front of us, and he went up on his mom's shoulders, and
he deserved it.
None of us spoke. We didn't speak the same language, but we were all in agreement of other people not having the same, what we would consider manners, but
yes.
It's just different subculture, and
that's the way it was.
I can understand that. And so we were just kind of laughing at like, this isn't cool, but you can't tell people like you're wrong.
Cultural difference. It wouldn't translate. There was literally a spot for maybe 2 people, and this group of 15 came in with like 2 strollers.
Two double
strollers.
And it was like, this is physically impossible.
They made it happen. Like, I'm impressed. I hate it, but I'm impressed. But and then they were all Facebook Living the whole thing, but all of them were there, so none of them would have been watching it because they're all Facebook Living. So I don't know. We record it, we still enjoy it, but they kind of ruined it for a lot of people. So.
Like I said, there was a cute kid in front of me, and I can't be mad about him. Like, I got some good photos of him with the gears and the fireworks, and I just had to understand that that was the experience I was meant to have tonight, and hopefully I can get an unobstructed view next time. But
we're gonna keep trying.
It's busy, so you just
deal with
cross
it.
your fingers and you pray and you deal with it when it doesn't work out. But.
Yeah. So. All right, we're gonna navigate traffic and head back to the resort, but that's probably all for us from the Magic Kingdom tonight. We'll be back here in like 12 hours.
Yeah.
So,
That's why we're kind of calling it an early night. The park's open for another 45 minutes, and we have a fast pass, but
I'd rather just
we're just
cut
gonna call it an early night so that we can make a really good day of tomorrow. So we'll see how that works out.
But for now, good night. So, not good night. Scales and the rest of the electrical night parade just came out. This is cool.
It's been a long time since we've seen this.
I think like when we tried to watch fireworks from the beach.
Yeah, so over a year, because that was last February with my mom.
That's right. So.
Oh yeah, I forgot it turns into America.
And then in America, like USA.
Yeah. It's good.
All right, let's get to our bus.
Spot for fireworks, which didn't really work out, but that's alright. So anyways, yeah, Tony's up there waiting for our ice cream very patiently. We could have gotten a sundae for 12 bucks that has 6 scoops of ice cream and like gummy worms and crazy toppings. We didn't do that. Instead we got an ice cream cookie sandwich that is on its way to me now. And
what? What?
What?
You talking smack?
No.
Okay.
That is our ice cream cookie sandwich. That looks pretty good. So
cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream.
And cream.
I'm excited. Like, that's gonna be good. But yeah, then we're gonna go back to the room and probably watch Duffy.
No, he's done. He was done 8 minutes ago. It's Mickey cartoons.
Is that the only reason you wanted to come get ice cream, so you would avoid Duffy?
It was gonna happen either way.
Either way, you weren't allowing me to put him on?
No, absolutely not. He's not that good at a cartoon. I see how kids might enjoy it, but I enjoy the Mickey cartoons way more.
I'm with you. I just like to give you drama because you have such beef with Duffy.
I don't have beef with Duffy. Save the drama for your mama.
Alright.
Why are you so fluffy with the Duffy?
You're ridiculous. Oh my god.
It's way too late at night.
It's like 9:30.
Okay. I'm your ride or die until about 9 p.m.
Actually, it's 10:10. My bad.
10:10.
That's why Duffy's over.
Yeah.
Anyways.
Well, farewell. Bye for me.
And goodbye from me also.